This K&N air intake system is designed to increase vehicle power and acceleration by reducing restriction in the intake path. The 69-4515 TS air intake fits 2005 through 2010 Chevrolet COBALT models with a 2.2-liter engine. K&N power testing showed an estimated power gain of 6 horsepower at 4,800 RPM with this air intake installed on a 2005 Chevy COBALT with a 2.2-liter engine. Actual results will vary depending on condition of the vehicle, mileage, weather, and other variables. The 69-4515 TS air intake system is 50 state street legal, CARB exempt, for some vehicles, but it is not legal for highway use in California and other states adopting California emission standards on some vehicles. To determine a specific vehicle's CARB status for an intake, go to knfilters.com or the K&N catalog to search by vehicle. With the air intake installed, we ran the vehicle on the dyno to test the sound comparison versus the stock intake. The intake kit includes components that have been designed or matched to the needs of these vehicles to produce a safe horsepower increase. Detailed installation instructions are included with this kit. The tools needed for this install are shown. Turn off the ignition and disconnect the negative battery cable. Remove the oil filler cap. Pull firmly upwards to release the engine cover and remove it from the vehicle. Replace the oil filler cap. Disconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Loosen the hose clamp at the throttle body. Unclip the airbox fastening clips. On models equipped with an air injection pump, release the clamp and disconnect the air injection pump hose from the airbox. Release the clamp and remove crankcase vent hose. Unclip the airbox mounting clip. Lift firmly upwards and remove the airbox from the vehicle. Loosen and remove the 2 airbox retaining nuts, then remove the airbox from the vehicle. Remove the mass air sensor from the stock intake tube. Remove the headlight mounting bolt and keep it for later use. On models not equipped with air injection, install the supplied cap plug onto the 1-inch diameter vent fitting on the intake tube and secure it with the provided hose clamp. On models with air injection, disconnect the air injection pump plastic hardline from the air injection rubber hose. On models with air injection, install the 1-inch hose mender into the provided air injection hose and secure it with the provided hose clamp. On models with air injection, attach the air injection hose assembly to the factory rubber air injection hose and secure with the provided hose clamp. Install the mass air sensor onto the K&N intake tube with provided hardware. With the provided hardware, assemble the studs onto the adapter as shown. With the provided hardware, assemble the filter adapter and gaskets onto the heat shield and intake tube. Install the silicone hose and hose clamps onto the intake tube. Install the rubber-mounted stud and small L bracket onto the heat shield using supplied hardware, but do not tighten completely at this time. Install the rubber-mounted stud and L bracket onto the heat shield with the provided hardware, but do not tighten completely at this time. Secure the K&N air filter onto the filter adapter and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Install the intake tube assembly, attaching the silicone hose onto the throttle body as shown. Align the heat shield bracket onto the headlight mounting hole and secure it with the stock bolt from step 12. Align the heat shield bracket onto the stock airbox mounting stud and secure it with the stock bolt from step 10. On models with air injection, attach the air injection pump hose to the 1-inch diameter vent fitting on the intake tube and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Assemble the supplied silicone hose and 2 mini clamps as shown. Install the silicone hose onto the intake tube vent and onto the crankcase vent line. Tighten hose clamps completely. Reconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Remove oil filler cap and reinstall the engine cover, then reinstall the oil filler cap. Reconnect the vehicle's negative battery cable. Double check to make sure everything is tight and properly positioned before starting the vehicle. It will be necessary for all K&N high-flow air intake systems to be checked periodically for realignment, clearance, and tightening of all connections. Failure to follow the above instructions or proper maintenance may void warranty. K&N makes products for nearly every vehicle on the road. The K&N website allows you to search products by vehicle or dimension, download installation instructions, view dyno charts showing estimated horsepower gains for this product, and view product details. For information on where to buy K&N products, go to knfilters.com.